Find how many 5-digit even numbers can be made using each of the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 once only. So we're making 5-digit numbers, but we want them to be even. So it must end in a 2 or a 4. So there's only 2 choices of what goes here. Once you've done that, there's 4 choices here, then 3, then 2, then 1. So 12, 24, 48. Find how many different 3-digit numbers can be made using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if each digit can only be used once. Well, it looks like we're making 3-digit numbers and there's no other restriction. So we have 5 choices of what goes here, 4 of what goes here, 3 of what goes there. So that's just equal to 60. A man and 2 women are to sit in a row of 5 empty chairs. Calculate the number of ways they can be seated if the 2 women must sit next to each other. So what we're going to do is consider the 2 women as being bound together. And then with the man, we consider this as be just 2 people. Because we need 2 chairs for these to sit on, we then consider that there's 4 chairs. Now, the order in which this block and the man sit is important. So that's a permutation, 4p2. But then we have to take into consideration the fact that we could sit these with w2, w1 instead. So multiply that by 2. And so what we have here is 4p2 multiplied by 2, which gives me 24. Now all 3 people must sit next to each other. So woman 1, woman 2, and the man. Let's bind those together. And since they'll take up 3 seats, we consider that we have 3 seats on which to permutate just 1 person, because this is a block. But these within that block can be rearranged 3 factorial ways. So what we have there is 3p p1 multiplied by 3 factorial, which of course is 6, and that gives me 18.